Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. We're in my basement for part 3 of my furnace died before Christmas. Months ago, I put on a remote switch. It has a thermostat in it. It sends a signal to this, turns the furnace on, and I rigged it so the heat would work. Since then, I did get a new control box. I got a new transformer. And I got new pressure switches because I burned everything up farting around with it. And today I'm going to unrig what I did, because in December I rigged it for heat, and a month or so ago I rigged it for air conditioning. But since I've been down this road a couple times already, I'm not going to screw around with these little wires behind screws. I'm going to put some crimp-on connectors. But I got a whole container of them here, the little skinny wires. I'm going to start here. I'm going to unplug this. Furnace switch is turned off, so there shouldn't be any power anywhere here. I'm just going to put the control board in and hopefully be fixed for a few years. It has 6 terminals on here. W1, W2, Y, R, G, B. I have my wires labeled like, blue, green, red, yellow, and W1 and W2 are hooked together with a little jumper. I'm going to put this in. I have all the wires connected to the board. I hope they're right. Now I just need to put the board in and connect all these jumpers that go along the side here. They're all color coded. Got a plugs in here, another plug here. So I need to unhook all the temporary stuff I put in, pull the board out, and replace that transformer, bolt it all back together. Oh, the joys of aftermarket parts. That transformer, even though it's the same number, same thing, it doesn't fit because it's a little bigger than the opening. So I got to file the opening in this metal box here. I got it to fit. So now I got to put things back together here. Black, blue, red. Blue, red, black here. So that's got to be the high speed fan. Blue is low speed, red is medium, maybe. But see, that motor was replaced years ago too. They replaced the inducer motor before 2024, and the motor. All right, I'm gonna have to organize my thoughts here, figure some stuff out. Then I'll be back at this. But it's after 3 and I haven't had lunch yet, so I'm going to take a break. And I got it all installed and hooked up. I have a Honeywell Home smart thermostat upstairs, and I went up to see if this was lit up, and of course it wasn't. Back when I fried everything, I also fried the thermostat. So I had to buy a new thermostat. I put that in, and now things are working. So that's going to be the end of part 3 of my furnace dying and how I did some temporary repairs. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for more projects and updates. Bye.